2019 BMW X5. Eye-catching off-road attributes and assured performance on rough ground combined with the premium characteristics and signature dynamics of a BMW, this was the blueprint with which BMW launched the all-new sports activity vehicle, SAV, category almost 20 years ago. The first example of the breed was the BMW X5, making it the founding father of the BMW X model family and the market leader in the premium all-wheel drive segment, a status it maintains to this day. More than 2.2 million examples of the BMW X5 have been sold across its three model generations. And the new car puts down another marker in terms of design and technology. The new BMW X5 will again be built at BMW plant Spartanburg in the U.S. state of South Carolina. This center of expertise for BMW X models also handles production of the BMW X3, BMW X4, BMW X6, and will soon add the BMW X7 to its roster as well. The worldwide market launch of the new BMW X5 will begin in November 2018. New design language exudes robust assurance and authority. A wheelbase 42 mm longer than its predecessors, now 2,975 mm, a 36 mm increase in vehicle length, to 4,922 mm, an extra 66 mm of width, now 2,004 mm, and a 19 mm increase in height, to 1,745 mm, give the new BMW X5 both an imposing appearance and generous levels of space for passengers and their luggage. The latest X5 retains the hallmark proportions of an SAV, but the pared-back design language, clean surfacing and precise lines accentuating the car's robustness, elegant poise, and muscular authority, is new. A powerfully sculpted bonnet, a short front overhang, lightly hexagonal wheel arches and the dynamic sweep of the roofline provide further references to the sporty yet rugged character of the new X5. The BMW X5 embodies the origins of the BMW X family and, in its fourth generation, sends out its most powerful message yet in terms of presence and modernity, says Adrian van Hooijdonk, Senior Vice President BMW Group Design. It defines a new X design language, robust, clear, and precise. The most striking feature of the front end is the large BMW kidney grille with single-piece surround. The new BMW X5 comes as standard with LED headlights, while BMW Laser Light with adaptive LED headlights can be specified as an option. This system employs a BMW Laser Light spotlight with selective beam to optimize the high beam function, and as a result the range of the non-dazzling high beam has been increased to around 500 meters. Blue X-shaped elements, which split up the hexagonal light sources inside the familiar BMW twin headlights, make a distinctive visual statement. The precise character line in the car's flanks, which rises up at the rear door, contributes to the modern appearance of the new X5. It defines the car's powerful shoulders and feeds into the rear lights, which extend well into the flanks. At the rear, too, all the lights feature LED technology. The three-dimensional design of their glass covers lends them a sculpted, technical edge. Diagonal accent lines give the rear a compact and brawny appearance.